Hello, my good luck charms. It's Miss Lorraine. This week's Curbside Craft is all about St. Patrick's Day. To get ready for St. Patrick's Day, I am going to read you a story all about a brother and sister who are on a hunt to catch a leprechaun. I can't wait to read the story to you, and you could see at the end if they catch him or not. After the story, we'll take a look at this week's craft. I hope you have fun. The Night Before St. Patrick's Day by Natasha Wing. 'Twas the night before St. Patrick's, the day to wear green. Not a creature was stirring except Tim and Maureen. They decked out the den from ceiling to floor with streamers and rainbows and shamrocks galore. Later they carefully made traps with gold charms and rings. I bet we can catch a leprechaun. They love shiny things. For if they caught one, so the legend told, they'd find where he buried his big pot of gold. They set all the traps round the room with great care, in hopes a wee Irishman soon would be theirs. The children then nestled all snug in their beds, while visions of gold coins danced in their heads. "Happy St. Patty's," said Dad, early the next morning. Then he started to play bagpipes without warning. He huffed and he puffed an old Irish song. Mom dished out green eggs and sang loudly along. When from their bedroom there arose such a clatter, the kids ran down the hallway to see what was the matter. And what to their wandering eyes should appear but a terrible mess. A leprechaun was here. "Be quiet," whispered Maureen. "He's hiding somewhere. When we find him, remember, we must hold his stare. For if you look away, if you so much as blink, leprechauns vanish quick as a wink." The kids trailed muddy footprints back and forth across the floor, which led them under Tim's bed and past the closet door. And then, inside a trap, they heard someone giggling. A real live leprechaun! They both saw him wiggling. His eyes, how they twinkled! His body so tiny. His hand clasped a trinket so gold and shiny. He was dressed in all green from his head to his toes, and he looked like a cobbler wearing fairy-sized clothes. The children approached him, staring straight in his eyes. "Tell us where the gold is. Don't be tricky, no lies." "I buried it under a rock. Smooth and hard, it's marked with an X, right in your backyard." "Oh boy, look at that backyard!" But when the kids went outside with their shovel and pick, they instantly saw it had been a big trick. "Ha ha! I fooled you! It's time to disappear! Happy St. Patty's Day to you, and better luck next year!" The end. Now let's take a look at the crafts inside your bag. The first craft that you will see inside your bag is a decorate your own leprechaun hat. You can decorate this with some markers or crayons or even the paint that's inside your bag. The next craft that's inside your bag is some Shamrock Glasses. Here you'll see little stickers that you have, a foam hat and some foam shamrocks. You can peel the little label off the back and you'll be able to stick them all around your glasses. The next craft that's inside your bag is a do-it-yourself shamrock picture frame. Inside your bag, you'll notice paints and a paintbrush for you to decorate this frame. And the last craft that's inside your bag is a Pullback Leprechaun craft. Here you'll have some foam stickers and you'll take that little leprechaun and his pot of gold and you'll stick them together on that blue little car. And when it's all ready, you pull back on that car and watch those wheels go spinning. Have fun with your crafts.